Hey there, car enthusiasts! Are you tired of struggling with dirt and dust in those hard-to-reach areas of your vehicle? In today's video, we're diving into the world of car detailing. Automobile Sparkles will uncover the best air guns that not only save you time but also elevate your detailing game to a whole new level. Imagine blasting away grime effortlessly and achieving that showroom shine. Fire Plus, I'll be revealing insider tips on choosing the right air gun for your specific car needs. Stick around, because you won't want to miss my top picks that won't break the bank and will make your detailing experience smooth as silk. Ready to transform your ride? Let's get started. Number 5. SPTA Car Cleaning Gun is an exceptional tool that makes cleaning your vehicle a breeze. Designed for efficiency, this blowgun features a trumpet head that utilizes high-pressure air to blast away dirt and dust from even the most challenging surfaces, including carpets, leather, and engine compartments. Its rotating plastic hose creates a unique air swirling effect, allowing you to clean tight corners and hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. Crafted from environmentally friendly materials, the SPTA Car Cleaning tool boasts a long barrel flare head that enhances accuracy during use. This means you'll have better control over the airflow, maximizing its power for optimal dirt removal. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional in an auto repair shop, this versatile air gun is perfect for keeping every nook and cranny of your car spotless. Remember that it requires an additional air compressor to operate. Simply press the handle switch to unleash a powerful stream of air and watch as dust and debris disappear. Elevate your car care routine with the SPTA Car Cleaning Gun, the ultimate solution for a pristine vehicle interior. Number 4. PARAROSE Car Cleaning Gun is an essential tool for anyone who loves a clean car. This high-pressure air blower is designed to efficiently clean both the interior and exterior of your vehicle. With its powerful airflow, it quickly blasts dirt, dust, and debris from surfaces like door jambs, upholstery, cup holders, dashboards, carpets, floor mats, wheels, and more. Equipped with 2 nozzle attachments and a soft dusting brush, it allows for detailed cleaning of even the hardest-to-reach corners. The aluminum alloy body and copper components ensure durability and long-lasting performance. The gun's 360-degree swivel feature maximizes cleaning efficiency, making your detailing job faster and easier. It's compatible with air compressors and includes multiple adapters, EU, USA, Japan, for versatile use. Whether you're a professional detailer or a car enthusiast, this tool is perfect for achieving a spotless car in no time. It's also a great gift for car lovers, making car cleaning enjoyable and effortless. Number 3. GZ-KJM Air Blowgun Car Interior Cleaning Gun is the ultimate solution for achieving a spotless car interior with minimal effort. This high-pressure cleaning tool is specifically designed to blast away dirt and dust from your vehicle's surfaces quickly and efficiently. With an air compressor setting range of 60 to 160 psi, it delivers powerful airflow to tackle stubborn grime and debris, ensuring a thorough cleaning of your car's interior. The versatile nozzle design allows for targeted cleaning, whether you're working on tight corners or larger surfaces, while the included dusting brush adds extra detail to your cleaning process. Perfect for those who want to take their car detailing to the next level, the GZ-KJM Air Blowgun ensures that every nook and cranny is spotless. Built for durability, it withstands regular use while providing a user-friendly experience. With this cleaning tool, you can be confident in its long-lasting performance and ability to deliver exceptional results every time. Number 2. GZ-KJM High-Pressure Car Interior Spring Washing Gun is a powerful and versatile tool designed to make car detailing a breeze. Crafted from refined aluminum alloy, this durable cleaning gun is built to last with a protective baking varnish that enhances its resistance to rust, corrosion, and wear. It features a double control system, allowing you to adjust the airflow with both the trigger and an airflow regulator, ensuring you get the perfect wind speed for every task. Whether you're cleaning vents, instrument panels, leather seats, or carpets, the 2 different nozzle sprayer connectors offer flexibility for various cleaning needs. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for long periods without causing fatigue, with a handle that fits your hand perfectly and a trigger that's easy to push. Additionally, the 360 degrees all-dimensional rotating connector ensures hassle-free movement without damage to the air hose. With its high-performance features and smart design, the GZ-KJM high-pressure washing gun is the best air gun for car detailing, helping you achieve a spotless, professional finish every time. Number 1. HITech Vortex Cleaning Gun is a powerful air cleaning tool designed to tackle tough cleaning jobs with ease. This tool is perfect for automotive surfaces, including carpets, plastics, leather, upholstery, wheels, motors, body seams, and convertible tops. It works by combining your preferred cleaning solution with the power of compressed air, creating a lightning-fast, oscillating, and pulsating motion that deeply penetrates dirt and grime, ensuring a thorough clean. The Vortex Cleaning Gun is equipped with a simple switch that quickly converts it to dry cleaning mode, making it versatile for different tasks. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability, low maintenance, and minimum wear, making it a reliable tool for both professional and DIY use. With this air gun, you can reduce the amount of product needed to complete even the toughest detailing jobs, saving you time and effort. Ideal for those hard-to-reach areas, the HITech Vortex Cleaning Gun is the perfect tool for achieving a spotless finish in car detailing, making it a must-have for any enthusiast or professional detailer. In conclusion, selecting the best air gun for car detailing can significantly enhance your cleaning routine, providing efficiency and precision. Whether you opt for a compact model or a heavy-duty option, remember to consider factors like pressure, ergonomics, and accessories to suit your specific needs. With the right air gun, you'll achieve that showroom shine effortlessly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Happy detailing!